Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video series, you are going to learn how to build a website, and you will also learn what tools and equipment you need and learn the structure of the HTML code. After this video series, you will be able to create a website, insert and format the text on a web page, create hyperlinks, use web hosting services and search engine optimization, that is SEO, insert images, videos and sounds to your website, use CSS libraries to edit your website, and create a web forms. You can use any of the tools to do this: Adobe Dreamweaver, Web Expression 4, Coffee Cup, HTML editor, etc. So for this video, I'm going to show you Microsoft Web Expression 4. Hopefully in future I may be showing you how to use a Dreamweaver as well. Designing a web page. When you are browsing a web page, you are essentially seeing a series of web pages. A web page is a structured document containing a text and images, other multimedia content that you can see with your web browser. What makes a web page different from a simple multimedia document stored on your computer is that a web page contains hyperlinks. So this is a hyperlink, or links as you will most likely know them, that provides the ability to navigate to other web pages. So when I click on this hyperlink, it will take me to another web page. So it can open in the same window, or it will take you to another window. If you take an example of this Wikipedia, a web page contains various links to other articles. So different links are created to the other articles. So when you construct a web page, you have to keep in mind following things. You need to have the layout first, what layout you need. So like the left side, you have a left sidebar, you have the top, or you can call it as a header, and this is a content area. In the bottom of the web page, you can see the footer. So you need to decide on what kind of a framework you need, what kind of a layout you have. So you need to plan before you construct a web page. You need to plan for a layout, web layout. Let's work on web expression. So when you open first web expression, the screen looks like this. So in this screen, nothing has opened. There is no HTML page is open. But default, you can see tag properties. You can see the other options. So these are called panels. You can get the panels from this menu bar. You have different menus like file, edit, view, and so on. In the panels, you can select what are the different types of panels you require. You can select from here. If you don't want the tag properties, if you click on it, tag properties will disappear. Now we have CSS properties and folder list. If you want to pin this, you click on this, it will disappear, it will collapse. You can pin it again by clicking here. When if you see this in this direction, meaning it is pinned. If you do not want, if you collapse this, click here again. So in this way, you can customize this particular panels. So to create a web page, you can go to file and you can create a new HTML file. But by doing so, you are going to create only a single file. For the website design, you're not working only with a single file, you are working with group of files. Therefore, it is a good practice to create a site from here, create a new site. When you click on create a new site, you can see it will ask you to create a one-page site or an empty site. Create a new site with nothing in it. So say click OK on it, or you can locate your browser where exactly you want, you can browse for it. So here it is showing the path. My website is in C location, C drive, in documents, in my websites, and website 9. If you wish to give some name, you can type another name over here and click on OK. So your folder is created, my site 9. So when you create a file, now you can create a file from here. So this file will create automatically inside this particular folder. For example, if I give this name as, when I save this file as my web or index first page, usually default page or an index page. Let us suppose I want to give as an index page HTML. Now when you save this file, so index.html, when you go to your site view, you can see your file into this index.html. So in this way you can create a file. If you want to expand the folder list, you can expand it by clicking here and you can pin it. So you can see all your files in this particular folder list. So this is your first file, index.html. So you are in the design view. When you look at this first, by default you will be in design view. If you go to bottom, you can see design, split and code. So if you in web expression or in Dreamweaver, if you write anything in the design, coding will take automatically. For example, if I write here, welcome to my web page, my web page. So by default, when I write this in design view, automatically in coding you can see welcome to my web page. Look at this, welcome to my web page as paragraph style. If you go to design, you can see this is on the top, you can see P means paragraph style. So by default it will take it as a paragraph style. Whatever you type in the design view, any text you type, it will treat it as a paragraph text. So in coding, you can see automatically all coding is written here. Document type HTML public, and you have HTML here, and at the bottom you can see /HTML. All the HTML tags comes in pairs. Like if you open with HTML, you must close with /HTML. And the head tag you have here, head and /head. And here you can see title /title. You can write the title of the web page. And body, here /body. So whatever you do, usually you'll do it in the body. Okay, and let's go to design. So if you want to type here, if you want to change the style from paragraph to this is a paragraph on top, you can see if you want to change it, you can change it by selecting as heading 1. So automatically the heading style will take place. So when you go to design, you can see H1 for this one. Okay, so in this way you can change the heading style. Let's work on the task 1 of the book. Here it says you are going to create a small web page. Let us suppose Alex personal web page. Just you type in here instead of welcome to my first web page. You can type in here Alex personal web page. Personal web page, like this. So hello, welcome to my personal web page. In the next line you are going to type hello exclamation, welcome to my personal page, welcome to my personal page. Okay, so I have changed this one's format to heading 1, and this one will be by default, as I said, paragraph type. Okay, similarly you can add one more line. Here is the list of things that I am interested in. In the other line we're going to type text like here is a list of things I am that I am interested in. Now, what are the things? Let's type here photography, art, and science. So for this tree, you have to make it as this tree should be as an ordered list. They're asking me to change it to unordered list. So here unordered list, and there are two types of list are there. One is ordered, the other one is unordered. Unordered means there is no sequence, there is no order that which one is first, second one, which one is second. There is no preferences. So that's called unordered list. You can use bullets. So when you click here, you can see UL means unordered list. Then following text will be turned into a bulleted list. If you go to the coding, you can see the difference here. Look here, unordered list UL and /UL. You got in between, you will get LI list photography. LI start and end with /LI. LI art, LI, like this you can change. So if at all you want to change from unordered list to ordered list, you can do it even from the design, but simply by changing the code from UL to OL. And if there is any error, it will show highlighted. It will highlight like this, because now why it is an error? Here you have ordered list and here it is unordered list. So this is wrong. It should not be like this. Therefore change it to OL, and this is an ordered list now. If you go and check in the design, you can see now with numbers. So I have converted this unordered list into ordered list. In the same manner, you can change it back again by writing UL, unordered list. Okay, so in this way you can change the code as well. So this is, now after doing this, what you can do, you have to give hyperlinks to this particular text. So to give the hyperlink, you have to select this and right click on this and go to hyperlink. So by default it is showing you email. We are not going to work with emails. Go to existing file or web page, and you can type here which website you want to go when I click on this photograph. For example, I want to go to http yahoo.com. Okay, but if you write only www.yahoo.com, it will not work. You must write the protocol http:// like this. Click on OK. So hyperlink is created. Now art, right click on this. You can create hyperlink. Simply to make you understand, I'm writing some addresses here, but you write relevant addresses. Photograph means go to a specific kind of library, or you go to related art site, but I'm giving you just to show you how the links will work. Okay, like http, I can change it to this one, bbc.com, bbc, like this. And with this, I want to take you to Times of Oman, hyperlink, http Times of Oman, like this. So In this way, you can provide hyperlinks to specific text in a web page. So after doing this, you need to save the web page. Already we have saved as index.html, but still you can save it from here, or you can go to file and you can save. Control S. Also you can use shortcut key to save the web page. Now to open this file in the web browser, you need to click on this area and you can go to any of the web browser, or you can do from here file and preview in browser, and you can select any of the web browser. Let us suppose I want to see this web page in Chrome. So click on this Chrome web page. Here you can see Alex personal web page. Hello, welcome to my personal page, like this. So when you click on the link, it will take you to yahoo.com page like this. When you need, so it's opening in the same window, so you need to go back again. If you want to go to the web page, then click on art. It will take you to another website. So when you click on science, it will take you to another website. So in this way, hyperlinks are created. Okay, so internet is not working time being, so in this way the website will work. You need to open in a browser. Next, what you can do, if you told you want to open in the new window, you can say right click on this, go to hyperlink properties. When you give here the HTTP and the web address, you need to go to target frame and you have to click on new window and say OK. So let's preview. I can save this web page and go to preview. So when you click on this, you will notice that this will be open like this. It will take you to another new page. Okay, so let me close these two pages so that you can identify. So click on this. See, it is taking you to a new window, yahoo.com, but my file is this one. This is my file. So if at all you want to change the title of the web page, you can go here, you can go to this coding and you can look at in the title, you can write here my first web page, or what kind of a web page is this. You can write the name of that particular web page, or you can write Alex web page, Alex, for example. So let me save this page and preview it. On the top you can see the title of the web page is Alex web page. Okay, when you click on photography, Alex will be opened like this, then it will go to another page. For example, if I click on art, it will overwrite on Alex. See, on Alex, art will open because I have not opened this in a new window. So that's the difference between a new window and a photography. I open a new window, whereas art I open in the same window. So that's the difference. Okay. So in this way you can create, if you look at the coding, look at this for unordered list, li, this is the link created. This is the link created. If you can notice here, yahoo.com is opening in a target window called _blank photography, but whereas BBC is opening in the same window. So that's the difference here. So you can change it to the target frame new window, these two as well. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.